There's a new Ford Fiesta, but can it fend off the Seat Ibiza and Skoda Fabia at the top of the Supermoney class? Brit loves Supermoneys. Every year the new car sales charts are topped by compact hatchbacks such as these, and the most successful has always been the Ford Fiesta, so there's a lot riding on the latest model. But this 7th generation variant isn't necessarily assured to inherit its predecessor's position as Britain's best-selling car, because the fight for sales in the Supermoney sector is as fierce right now as it has ever been in the past. We crowned the all-new Seat Ibiza our best Supermoney at the recent Auto Express New Car Awards, and this is the first time the two have met in a test. Seat has given the Ibiza a sharp design, plus great practicality and tech, while its 1.0-liter turbo petrol engine should deliver decent performance and efficiency, so this is shaping up to be a really close contest. However, could there be an interloper in the pack? We still rate the Skoda Fabia highly as a Supermoney thanks to its affordability and usability.